how do you view that? See, please be careful here. Check all your cases, everything, your email address, everything, your password, everything is case sensitive, and you're all logging in as a shopper. Do not use my credential. You've already created your account, right? Log in with that credential. Okay. Yes. Now, I have just logged in. Let me just, and for login, let me also directly give this instead of doing all this later. So, wait a minute, where do I have the test cases? I just missed too many things here. Now, let us also give the hazards also. No, later after they are coming back once again, let us not do that. Here only if you see the hazards, what is that I am expecting? User should be able to log into the account or user should be logged in, and what is should be the status code. Here once you log in, the status code should be equal to 200. Okay, let me go to hazards and give the status code as I should get the status code as 200. Okay, now when I hit the set button, oh, I got the status code as 200. Okay, now let me save this as a step. I will just save this. Okay, this is over. Now this login module is over. Okay, next. After this, next we have a next module. View all products. I want to view all the products. That means view all the products is nothing but what and all products are there. See, before I add a product to the cart, first I should know what products are available. Without me knowing, can I add a product to the cart? No, right? So I have to first get all the products. Okay, so the module name is something like homepage. I've given the module name as homepage. I'll go here, create a different module. I'll give it as homepage. And what is the parent module? It is the root module itself. So I've just created one login homepage module. Now inside this I'll add a script. What is that? It is the name view all products. And it is web service type of script. You guys understanding? I'm just going according to my test case, whatever I have written. Okay. Now, verify the shopper is able to get all the default products. You know what is the meaning of default products? So whatever you're seeing here, these are all what you call it as the default products. These default products I should be able to view. Okay. For that, what is the method? The method is get. Have to go and use get method. Go to web service and use what is that? View all products. And the method is get. What about the URL? The URL remains same. So this will be the URL. And what about the endpoint? The endpoint is something like products alpha. Whatever they have given, I'm just giving the same endpoint. Now I want each one of you to concentrate very carefully. Please concentrate. When I click on send button, you will get one status code. So you got this 200. Okay, yes, okay, fine. All the default products you are able to see. So we are having so many default products here. Like you are having, see, all the products, whatever you are seeing over there, you are able to see the iPhone 14 Pro. Next you have this, what you have, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Next you are having, you're having Apple iPhone 14. Next you are having Levi's. So all the default products, are we able to view all the default products? Yes, we just got all the default products. Correct? Now let me give the hazards. Oh, we forgot to give the hazards. So here, what is my expectation? So user should be able to get all the default products and the status should be equal to what? 200. Go and verify the status code. Here I have just given it as 200. When you hit the send button, you should get the status. The hazard result should be pass. Yes, it is pass. Let me save this. Save and give this step also. Any doubts here? I just got all the products which are available. Any doubts here? Is this clear? Clear for everyone? Are you guys there? Okay. Now, next important part. Next, let me go back to my test development. Next, what is the next module we have? See, what is the workflow we are doing? So we just logged in, then we saw all the products. Next, what I'll do, I will perform the wish list. I'll perform the wish list operation. So that is the next module. That is, if you go to the test case, let us go to this wish list. Where is that wish list? Here. This is the wish list module. The module name is wish list. I'll go here and I'll create a new module called as wish list. And the parent module will be root module. I just created one wish list module. Okay, so one wish list module I've created, and in this I will add one automation script. What shall we give? Shopper wish list. I'll just give the name as shopper wish list, and it is web service. So all these things remain same. Now, what are they? The first one says verify the shopper is able to add a product to the wish list. He should be able to add one product to the wish list. Okay, for adding a product, what is the method? It is post. It is post method. So I'll go here, go to web service, go here and give, what is the name? Add product to wish list. Give the name. Next, the method is post. The method is post. Next, you need the URL. So where do you get the URL? In the test case. Now I want each one of you to concentrate very carefully. There is my wish list. Should I provide body for post operation? Tell me. Yes, correct. Why? Because I have to tell the server which product I am adding to the cart. There are so many products available. Sorry, not the cart, wish list. Which product I am adding to the wish list I have to tell. How will you tell? Through body. So if you go to the test case, you are having that here. Product ID is 2. I am adding this product. The product ID which is having the 2. I am adding that to wish list. Come here and give it as give that. That means there are so many products available. In that, there is one product whose ID is 2. I am adding that product to the wish list. Okay. Now, I've given this as 2. When I click on send, I want everybody to concentrate here. See, what did you get? Oh, it is telling 400 bad request. Oh, what happened? Why? Why are we getting 400 bad requests? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me why it is give me 400 bad requests? See something called as shopper ID. See, I told you, you guys are already well versed with it. Now you can directly detect what that problem is. Correct? By looking at this, you are only telling me, oh, I should give the shopper ID. This is why I told you are already masters of API. Now, where do I get this shopper ID? I don't know where I'll get this shopper ID. So this shopper ID you will be getting when you log into the application. See here. So now let us go back. Let me go back. See here. When I go back to my login. See here. When I go back to my login, we perform this login operation, right? When you log in, you'll get lot of information here. Here you just got a lot of information here. Let me copy this and I'll just paste it somewhere else and I'll show it in a bigger stage for you. See here, you are getting one user ID. So this is the shopper ID for me. So everybody's shopper ID will be unique. For me it is 309. So for you you will have your unique ID. Okay, I'll copy this 309. Now let me go back. Now I'll go back to my Fireflink. Now I'll go to this test development. Now where is that wish list? I'm dealing with wish list. Where is the, oh, it's gone. Okay, fine, no worries. I'll go here. So the name is add product to wish list, and the method is post, and I have to provide the URL. So the URL we are having here. So this is the URL. Of course, you can make this as a variable also. In the next stage, we'll make it as create it as a variable instead of hard coding every time. Okay. Next, this will be the endpoint. Copy the endpoint, come back and attach. Now, in the place of this shopper ID here, in place of this shopper ID, what I should do? I should give that ID which is 309. Understood? Next, provide the body. So the body is what? Product ID. Just to give that product ID as 2. That's it. Now once again, when I click on send, now you will get one more error. Here, you will get one more error. What does it say? 403 forbidden. It says 403 forbidden. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is it is expecting the token. So it is telling you do not have the permission to add a product to the wish list. Now I have to provide that token. Got it? Got it? Now where do I get this token again? Should I go to my account, generate the token, anything like that? No. That token also you will get once you log in. See here? Once you log in, you got one response. You got the status code, okay, user ID, email, shopper, everything you got, right? At the end, last when you get something called as JWT token. Now this is the bearer token for us. You should have this token from now onwards. Any operation you are performing inside, you should have this token. You should copy this token, go back. Now as usual, I go to this authorization and I will select this bearer token and here paste that token. Now I'm having the access. Now when I click on send button, see, you will get it as 201 created. That means successfully we added this product Apple iPhone 14 Pro to the wish list. Understood? Did you all understand? Do you all understand? Yes. Now, how do I cross check whether it is added to the wish list or not? How do I cross check? Actually speaking, you have to do get operation. We have to do get operation so that once you get all the products, you will understand. But anyways, we are having the UI. Can I go and cross check in the UI? Shall we go and check in the user interface? See, if I go here and if I go to the wish list, see here, that Apple iPhone 14 Pro was added to the wish list. See, I will remove the product, okay? I'll remove from the product as of now. In the UI, I will remove the product. Now, once again, I'll go and hit the send button here. Now, when I hit the send button from the back end, see here, you got 201 created. That means it was added to the wish list. Now, if you go to the UI, now you go to the wish list. See? That product was added to the wish list. So without even touching the UI, we just added a product to the wish list. Yes or no? Yes or no? Understood everyone? Yes. So now also now what I'll do is let us also give the hazards. What should be the hazard condition here? What is my expectation here? So here, shopper should be able to add a product to the wish list. And what should I get the status code as? I should get the status code as what? 201 created. Should get it as 201 created. How do I get it? That is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the status code as 201. But one more thing I will teach you here. Listen. I'll teach you one more concept here. When I click on send, see here it is telling one more new error it is throwing me. It says 409 conflict. What is the meaning of that? If you read the message, what does it say? What is the data? Item already present in the wish list. Can I add the same product once again to the wish list? No, it is not possible. It should not allow me. If it allows, what happens? Then it is a defect. But it is not allowing me. That means it is working properly. Now what I'll do, I'll just remove it from the wish list for a minute. Remove from the wish list. Okay, let me remove it from my wish list. Now I will hit the send button. See, now when you hit the send button, it was added, and if you go to assert results, it was successfully added. Now I'll go and save this as a step. I just save this as a step. That's all. That's all. After removing, you can add again. Understood? In the backend, how we'll be doing the testing? Can you try this wish list operation? Can you try this wish list? Please create a new module and in that add a wish list. Add a product to the wish